Hello everyone, welcome on Frog Tech Tips. Today we have a air mouse controller for you. It's just quick unboxing. As you can see, this is just quick unboxing, nothing like show you what is doing this mouse, but so simply you can see what is inside the mouse and receiver with very small USB connector. And yeah, that's it. You just plug in inside the USB. Mouse is already paired. Once switching on, it have a built-in battery which is working about like 5 days of use, maybe even longer. Yeah, it's really nice. And on one side you got a quickly remote control with a side button, and also is a gyro. And on other side you have a full QWERTY keyboard, which is absolutely nice when you writing some text. Hopefully you will like it. I will recommend this air mouse. It's really good. You can use it with your projector, PC, Linux, macOS, or whatever you want. It's easy to use and ready to use once you get it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click like. Surprise for me is sharing my video as well. Hopefully you will do that. Don't forget to click likes and subscribe. Frog Tech Tips.